ये वाला तो नेट लगा
हाँ सरिता
and it has many more other properties. Nervous system, so you can always grow this. इसको होता है मरदोरा, उसको कहते हैं वो मरवा. It's almost like a tulsi चौड़े करते हैं. Protein that also is उसका उत्पादन खाने उसमें vegetables में for flavor anywhere. Otherwise also you can use it for chewing. It's extremely good again for so many chest problems. And like tulsi, it's also very helpful. One of the other plants जो common हम सोचते हैं South Indian food में सिर्फ उसमें सांभर में इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं और इसको करी पत्ता. You will be happy to know that some people who got involved in this one. I'm not a research scientist on this, but I'm only getting data feeding from the people who are doing research. They found out that by eating about 5 to 7 curry patta leaves every day, you can keep diabetes away. और अगर कहीं किसी का marginal diabetes level है, we can escape. और अगर ना करें कोई diabetes patient भी है, even then they can also help in a big way if they eat curry patta leaves. India said, I was involved in the program with all the evidence sponsors for the rural.